Hi guys, in this video we are going to see chapter 7, that is average. First you will see what is the definition for average. The average of a given observation or data is a number which is found on dividing the sum of the observations or data by the number of observation or data given. The formula for average is sum of observations divided by number of observation. This can be easily understood by an example. What is average? What is the concept of average? Ages of Ajay, Amit, Shadish are 10 year, 12 year and 14 year. This is the observation, or you can say data. So this is the data given about the ages of Ajay, Amit and Sadish, right? So they are asking find the average age. So you have three people, Ajay, Amit and Sadish, and their age is given. What is the average age of these three people? So what is the formula? Sum of the observations. Sum means addition. So sum of the observation is their age, 10 year, 12 year, 14 year. This is what the observation, or you can say data. So we have to sum the observation, 10 plus 12 plus 14. So number of observations are 3. This is the age of 3 students or 3 persons, right? So sum of observations divided by number of observations, that is 3. So if you sum these 3 data, it will be 10 plus 12, that is 22, 22 plus 14, that is 36, 36 divided by 3. So 1 3s are 3 and 2 3s are 6, so 12 years. So the average age of these 3 people is 12 years. Option C. So another example, find the average of 3.5, 5.7, 4.6, 2.8, 4.3, 4.9. Again, it is just a data. It is not age or anything. It's just data is given, right? So you have how many datas you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. You have 6 datas. So we have to, according to the formula, to find the average, we have to sum the observations. So here you have to add all the observations, that is first 2 observations are 3.5 plus 5.7. If you add these two, 5 plus 7 is 12. So the carry is 1. So 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, that is 9, 9.2. The next data is 4.6. I have to add 4.6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Then there is no carry. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So I have to add the next observation, 2.8. 8 plus 8 is 16. Then carry is 1. Then 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, that is 6. Then 1, it will come as it is. Then 16.6. Then next data, that is 4.3 I have to add. So 6 plus 3, that is 9. Then 4 plus 6 plus 4, that is 10. Carry 1, that is 20.9. Next final data, that is 4.9. 9 plus 9, that is 18. Carry 1. 1 plus 4, that is 5. Then carry, no carry, 25. 25.8. So this is the sum of observation divided by number of data. That is already told you. Number of data observations are 6. So if I divide 25, if I divide 25.8 by 6, 4 6 are 24. Then remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. Then it is 1.8. So I have to put point here. So it is 3 6 are 18. So it is 0. So 4.3 is the answer. Next, we will see some important formulae related to average number. Okay, formula 1 is average of first n natural numbers is equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. So what is n? This is number of natural numbers. N is number of natural numbers. Suppose I am going to find out the average for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the natural numbers. So for these 5 numbers I am going to find out the average, means then n will be equal to 5. So here we will use this formula in the following example. What will be the average of numbers from 1 to 51? So here from 1 to 51, how many numbers you are going to take the average? For 51 numbers I am going to take the average, right? So the n is 51. From 1 to 51, how many numbers you are having? See, 1 to 5 you are having 5 numbers, means 1 to 51 I am having 51 numbers. So for these 51 numbers I am going to find out the average, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till it goes 51. So it will take longer time if I add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus, this is the formula, sum of data or sum of observations divided by number of data. If I do in this way, it will take longer time. So this formula is really important to find out the answer for this kind of problems easily. So according to the formula, average of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 divided by 2. So here n is 51, number of data are 51. So n plus 1, 51 plus 1, that is equal to 52. Here I have to divide 52 by 2. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then remainder is 1. So 6 2s are 12. So answer is 26. Option A. Then next formula, formula 2. The average of first n even numbers is equal to n plus 1. Again, n is number of datas you are going to add. Here I am going to find out the example. In the example they are asking to find out the average of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. These are the even numbers. So to find out the average for even numbers means we can easily use this formula. We can find out by 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 plus 14 by divided by how many numbers you are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is, if you add all these numbers and divided by 7 means it will give you average, but it will take longer time. If you use this formula, you can immediately find out the answer. So according to the formula, if you are going to find out the average for first n even numbers, the formula is n plus 1. So n is number of even numbers. So here n is 7. You are having 7 numbers. So the average is going to be 7 plus 1. So it is 8. This is what the average of the given even numbers. Here the formula is average of first n odd numbers is equal to n. It is same as your previous formula. Formula 2 is average of first n even numbers is equal to n plus 1. Here this formula states that average of first n odd numbers is equal to n. It's a quite simple formula. We will see the example. Calculate the average of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. So these are the odd numbers. Here what is the value of n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is first n odd numbers. Here the n is 9. So the average for first n odd numbers is equal to 9 itself. Next formula, formula 4. Average of consecutive numbers. Average of consecutive numbers. It need not to be first n numbers. It can be started. In previous two formulas, it need to be started from 1. First n odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It was the first n odd numbers. Then first n even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, like that. Then formula 1 is first n natural numbers. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has to be started from 1. But this formula 4 is, if the number can be started from anywhere. It can be started from 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. But they need to be consecutive. Consecutive means, well, if you add 1 with the 25, it will be 26. And if you add 1 with this number, that will become 27. So this is called consecutive numbers. Next numbers, right? So it need not to be or must not be started from 1, right? So the formula 1 is for the number must be started from 1. Here this formula is for consecutive number. It can be started from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, but that they need to be consecutive. Next numbers. Here the formula is first number plus last number divided by 2. So the example, what will be the average of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 53. So all the numbers are consecutive numbers. Here according to the formula, to find out the average of consecutive numbers, first number plus last number divided by 2. Here the first number is 1, last number is 53. So if you add these two, that will give 54 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, then remainder is 1, 14. So 7 2s are 14. So 27 is the average. Similarly, if you find the average for this sequence, first number is 25, last number is 29 divided by 2. Here we need not to calculate the number of datas. That is not, n is not important here. We need to know first number and last number divided by 2. Here 25 plus 29, 5 plus 9, that is 14, 4, carry 1. So then 1 plus 3 plus 2, that is 5, 54. So what is the formula? First number plus last number divided by 2. That means 54 divided by 2, that is 27. So if you take the average for these numbers, average is 27, right? Similarly, if you take the average for these numbers, first number is 10, last number is 14 divided by 2. So it is 24 divided by 2. The average is 12, right? This is the final formula, formula 5. The average of n multiples of any number, n multiples of any number, that is equal to number into n plus 1 divided by 2. We will understand this with the help of this example. What will be the average of first 9 multiples of 5? What will be the average of first 9 multiples of 5? So here the n is equal to 9 because they are asking first 9 multiples. So the number is 5. According to the formula, here the number is 5, then value of n is 9. So we have to find the average of first 9 multiples of 5. So according to the formula, average of n multiples of number, a number into n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is 9, number is 5. So 5 into 9 plus 1 divided by 2. Now we will just add these numbers. 5 into 9 plus 1 is 10. After completing the bracket, if you multiply these two, that will give you 50 divided by 2, that is 25, right? So this is the formula is used to find out what will be the average for n multiples of any number. N multiples of any number. Here we will see first 9 multiples of 5 means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. These are the first 9 multiples of 5. So this is multiple of 5, this is multiple of 5. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So it will be first 9 numbers, that is multiples of 5. If you add all this number, that will give you 225. If you divide by number, now how many numbers you are having? Total observations are 9. So it is, if you divide, this will give you 25. So 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, then remainder is 4, that is 45, 5 9s are 45. So it is average for first 9 numbers which are multiples of 5, right? Similarly, I can tell you first 5 numbers which are multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, then 20. If I take the average for these numbers, first I have to add all these numbers. So it is 4 plus 8, that is 12, 12 plus 12 is 24, 24 plus 16 is 50, 50 plus 20 is 70, 70 divided by 5. So if I take the average, because the numbers are here 5, so it is 1 5s are 5, then 1 5 is 5, then remainder is 2, that is 20. So 4 5s are 20. So it is, the average is 14. Instead of doing in this way, I can easily find out the average for this sequence using this formula. Here the number is 4 multiplied with how many numbers? 5 numbers. 5 plus 1 divided by 2. So it is 4 into 5 plus 1 is 6, then divided by 2. So 1 2s are 2, then 2 2s are 4. So 2 into 6, that is 12. So instead of doing this average, instead of finding the average in this way or in this way or in this way, we can easily use this formula to find out the answer. So I hope you understood the concept of average and the formulas we discussed. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much.